everyone, thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to do a laminated door glass on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is actually going to be similar to the F-150, F-250 laminated door glass. It is a little bit harder only because the contact points, the clips that hold the, or the carriers that hold the glass in place and draw it up and down, are a little bit lower. So first and foremost, we are going to turn this on and roll this down. Turn that off so we don't have to listen to it beep. You're going to take our T20 driver here. You can use your mirror tool as well, like we've done on the F-150 glass. Put that in the pocket. You're going to need a longer hook tool than the short one that we usually use for the F-150s. And we'll take our stubby little hook tool here, and we're going to go right in the back against the body here. And we're just going to pry against the glass. Since this glass is already broken, we're not worried about it. We're going to loop this underneath the edge of this, give it a little bit of a lift, and then pull this outer belt molding away. Set that in there, and then we will roll our window up, grab a cup here, and then just like our F-150, we're going to take this and we are going to anchor this right above the door. Roll this down till it hits, and then give it a little bit extra for some tension. And then these ones are a little bit harder to see. Don't know how well you can see in there, but we're essentially looking for the same thing. We've got a carrier down here that we're going to try to get behind and pop out of the way. Takes a minute to find these ones. Come up to the front here. There's our second one. I think we need a little more tension on that. Trying to operate the flashlight and the hook at the same time is fun, especially when your flashlight keeps going out. That one should be loose. And then this one up here is our problem child. There we go. Got that loose. Throw that back in there. Put our flashlight away and roll this down all the way. Then we can pop our cup here, slip our old glass out like so, grab our new piece of glass. You can see these have a little lip on them, so you can't really use the shields like you can on the F-150s, because on these ones it almost sits flush when these things snap in place. So we're going to roll this up a little bit and then drop our new glass in like so. Line everything up, make sure we're inside our channels, find our carrier and lock it in place. Roll this up and down a few times. Go ahead and start the vehicle so we don't kill the battery. And then grab our screw and our driver. Oh, didn't mean to bump your head. We'll put our belt molding back in place. This belt molding has a pin on the front of it. It goes into the piece underneath the mirror, so make sure you don't break that off. Snap your belt molding back in. Put your screw back in place. Roll your window up, and just like that, you are done. A little longer than the F-150s because, like I said, you have to dig for those carriers to try to pop them off. But all that being said, another one that you do not have to remove the door panel. You can just remove the outer belt molding and reach in there with a hook tool, pop that loose, and swap it out. That is changing the door glass, the laminated door glass, on a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.